Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the product of two matrices. The product of two matrices. That means how we have to find, how we can find product of two matrices. We already discussed it, and I have given some examples also. Then just one more time I will explain about what is the product of matrices. To define a product of two matrices, what condition must be obey that two matrices. Just see. Suppose A is any matrix and B is also any other matrix. Then AB is defined. AB is defined means product AB is defined. When it will be? If the number of columns of matrix A, if the number of columns of matrix A, number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B. Number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B. If this condition is satisfies, then what will be defined here? AB. AB means the sense product AB is defined. Product AB is defined. Okay, it is clear. Okay, so on this product we solved some questions also yesterday. I will explain some more questions. Okay, before that, and some properties are there. Some properties and some note, some remark also are there on product of two matrices. Okay, just to see here, A, B are any two matrices. Are any two matrices. If suppose AB is defined, first point, AB is defined, it is not necessary that, it is not necessary that B is defined. It is not necessary that B is defined. Then what do you say here? AB is defined. It is not necessary that compulsory BA must be defined. Sometimes BA will be defined, sometimes BA does not define. Okay, so that means what do you say here? AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. Sometimes AB is equal to B also. But here AB is not equal to BA. That means what do you say here? AB, that means product of two matrices is not satisfies commutative law. Product of two matrices is not satisfies commutative law. Just remember here, about commutative law we will discuss again. Okay, so here what do you say here? AB is defined, but it is not necessary that B also is defined. It is not necessary that B also will be defined. Second point, if suppose AB is defined, suppose A and B are two any square matrices. Square matrices of same order. A and B are any two square matrices of same order. If AB is defined, as well as B also will be defined. AB is defined and as well as B also will be defined. That means both will be defined. When? If A and B are both are square matrices of same order. Square matrices of same order. Okay, it is second point. Third point. Here also AB is defined. B is not necessary that AB is equal to B. A and B are any two square matrices. AB is defined and as well as B also will be defined. And also it is also not necessary that AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA. Okay, it is second point. It is about second point. Next, third point. Multiplication of diagonal matrices. Multiplication of diagonal matrices with same order will be commutative. Multiplication of diagonal matrices of same order will be commutative. It is third point. So matrix A, I am taking 2 by 2 square matrix. I am taking 2 by 2 diagonal matrix. I am taking 1. Suppose I am taking 2 diagonal matrix, right? 2 0 0 5. It is diagonal matrix or not? Diagonal matrix in the sense a matrix which is having only diagonal elements and non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay, I am taking 2 by 2 diagonal matrix. I am taking matrix A. Matrix B also I am taking here. So minus 1 0 0, 6 I'm taking. Okay, so these two are 2 by 2 diagonal matrices. 2 by 2 diagonal matrices. Okay, before taking diagonal matrix, compulsory what must be, by the definition of diagonal matrix, A and B must be square matrices, then only you can define diagonal matrix. Okay, yes, now multiply them. Here see, number we have to find AB or BA. To find AB or BA, compulsory what must be the condition satisfied? What is the condition satisfied? Number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of A. Number of columns of A 2, number of rows of B 2. So both are equal. Then AB is defined. B also will be defined. Why? Because number of columns of B is equal to number of rows of A. So both will be defined. So here what I am finding here, AB I am finding here. AB I am finding. Okay, AB. AB means product 2, 0, 0, 5 minus 1, 0, 0, 6. Okay, so we have to multiply these two matrices. I already explained how to multiply. First, what we have to do? First matrix we have to separate by rows. Second matrix we have to separate by columns. Okay, how we have to multiply here? How we have to multiply? How we have to multiply? First row, first column. First row, second column. After completion of that one, second row, first column. Second row, second column. Like this we have to multiply. Just to see here. First row, first column. First row, first column means 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 0 into 0, 0. Okay, by first row, first column is finished. Next, by first row, second column. 2 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 6, 0. It is clear? Yes. By first row, first column, first row, second column is completed. Next, second row, first column. 0 into minus 1, 0, plus 5 into 0, 0. Next, 0 into 0, 0, plus 5 into 6, 30. Okay, then simplify this one. Minus 2, 0, 0, 30. Okay, what you got here? A and B are any two diagonal matrices. Then their product is also we got diagonal matrix only. It is AB. Next, find B also. B also. B, A. What is B? Minus 1, 0, 0, 6. Okay, A. What is A? 2, 0, 0, 5. So makes rows and columns separately. Just write the multiply. First row, first column. First row, second column. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Okay, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Plus 0 into 0, 0. Clear? Yes. First row, first column is completed. First row, second column. Minus 1 into 0, minus 1. Plus 0 into 5, 0. Next 0 into 2, 0. Plus 6 into 0, 6. Clear? Sorry, 6 into 0, 0. Oh, next 0 into 0, 0. Plus 6 5s are 30. Then also write the simplest form. Minus 2. Here also I done wrong here. It is also 0, right? Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 0 into 0, 0. Next, minus 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. Okay, minus 2, 0, 0, 30. It is BA. Just observe here. AB matrix, BA matrix, both are equal we got. So here, AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA we got. So AB equal to BA we got means what is that one? Commutative or not? Commutative. When it will be? Matrix multiplication is commutative. When? Matrix multiplication is commutative. When it will be? When it will be? Matrix A and matrix B are diagonal matrices with same order. Diagonal matrices with same order. Okay, it is the third condition. It is about the third condition. Remember. Okay. Next, one more condition is there. Next, fourth one. Suppose, listen here. We know that if two, I am taking algebraic. Okay, AB equal to 0. A is a real number, B also real number. If AB equal to 0, A product of two elements is equal to 0 means when will be it is? When will be? When will be compulsory? Either A equal to 0, either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. That means AB equal to 0 in the sense from these two elements any one of the element must be 0. Any one of the element must be 0. Then only that 0 into B equal to 0 or A into 0 equal to 0. Like that only. But in matrix multiplication, this condition will not satisfy. That means to getting product of two matrices is null matrix. To getting product of two matrices null matrix, it is not necessary that either matrix A or matrix B will be null matrix. Either matrix A or matrix B will be null matrix. That means what is that one? Suppose matrix A I am taking here, matrix A 0 0 0 0. Simple matrix I am taking. B 1 2 3 4. Multiply them. AB is equal to what will get? 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4. If you multiply this one, you will get null matrix. 0 0 0 0. You will get a null matrix. What will you get? A null matrix you will get. Okay, it is clear. So what it is here? Matrix A, null matrix. 0 into matrix B is equal to what we got? O we got. That means null matrix we got. If you will apply B also, what will be? B also same. 1 2 3 4 into 0 0 0 0. That is equal to what we will get here? Null matrix we will get O. So it is okay. This condition also will be satisfied, but it is not necessary that compulsory either matrix A or matrix B will be 0. Either matrix A or matrix B will be 0. Just I will give one example here, then you can understand what is the point of this one. What is the meaning of this point? Suppose see, I am taking one matrix A. Just take this one. How I am taking this matrix A? Here see, 0 0 1 2 I am taking. Okay. Matrix B 0 0 6 7 I am taking. Okay, it is matrix A and it is matrix B. Now multiply these two matrices AB. Multiply this matrix 2AB. 0 0 1 2 6 7 0 0. Clear? Multiply rows, columns we have to separate. Just wait a minute. I think so this will. Marker is gone. Okay. Okay, 0 1 0 0 0 2 6 7 0 0. Now multiply them. A B is equal to what will be? First row, first column, first row, second column. 0 into 6 0. Yes, plus 1 into 0 0. This is 0 into 7 0. 1 into 0 0. Next 0 into 6 0. 2 into 0 0. Next 0 into 7 0 plus 2 into 0 0. So what we got here? 0 0 0 0. Null matrix we got. So AB is equal to what we got here? Null matrix O we got. Just observe here. Is matrix A null matrix? No. Is matrix B null matrix? No. But the product what we got? Null matrix we got. That means what do you say here? It is not necessary that if A and B are both are the product of AB is null matrix. It is not necessary that either A or B matrices are null matrices. Okay, either A or B matrices are null matrices. Remember, okay, it is important. I will give these all points in the notes. Okay, in your notes, you don't worry about that one. By reading that one by one point, you can understand easily. Okay, so these are the points. And next, properties of multiplication. Properties of matrix multiplication. On some questions we already discussed that one. First one, what is that one? Commutative law. We solved some questions, one or two questions we discussed it. What is that one? If A comma B are any two matrices, and then AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. That means what is that one? Commutative law is not satisfied. Matrix multiplication is not satisfies commutative law. Matrix multiplication is not satisfies commutative law. Okay. Second point, associative law. Associative law. What is associative law? You know this one. A, B, C. Like this you have write. Here also A, B, C. Just take B, C here. That means A into B, C. First A into B, C is equal to A, B into C. Important to get. Depend upon this one 5 mark is there. 5 mark question is there. He will ask. Nothing it is. We have to multiply. First bracket matrices only we have to find. So B into C we have to find. After the resultant matrix by A we have to multiply. AB into C. First you have to multiply AB. Then you have to multiply by C. Then AB into C means you will get one resultant matrix here. Left side you will get here right side one resultant matrix. Both will be equal. Okay, compulsory will be equal. It is associated. That matrix that means matrix multiplication is satisfies associative law. Matrix multiplication is not satisfies completed law. Matrix multiplication is satisfies associative law. Okay, next third one. Okay, multiplication identity. Multiplicative identity. I know nothing it is. If A is any square matrix, then there exists a matrix I such that A into I is equal to A. A into I equal to I. If A is any square matrix, then there exists another square matrix I such that A into I is equal to A. Here A must be square matrix. Then there exists a square matrix I. There exists a square matrix I such that A into I is equal to I. I means we already discussed about I. I means identity matrix. Okay. Yes. Same like this way. That is equal to I into A. I into A. Okay. It is about associative law and multiplicative identity. One more property is there. Fourth one, that will be distributive law. Distributive law, very important. See, in this matrix multiplication, associative law and depend upon distributive law, one 5 mark question will be there. Either from this he will ask or from this he will ask. Nothing it is. We have to check this one only. Matrix A will give, matrix B will give, matrix C will give. Is this A into B C is equal to A B into C or not? He will ask. That means nothing it is. We have to find left side matrix and we have to find right side matrix. Both you will get compulsory equal only. Here also, what is the first point? Distribute law. In distribute law, two distribute laws are there. What are they? A into B plus C. A into B plus C is equal to multiply AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Multiplication in the sense here also what he will give? Matrix A will give, matrix B will give, matrix C will give. Now what he will ask? He will ask find A into B plus C and AB plus AC. Then is these two matrices are equal or not? He will ask. Show that these two matrices are equal. Nothing it is. What we have to find here first? B plus C matrix we have to find and multiply by A matrix. Then you will get one resulting matrix. Left side resulting matrix. Next right side find AB and find AC. Add them. This resulting matrix, you will get same. Okay, it is distributed law. One more distributed law is there. What is that one? Same. A plus B into C. A plus B into C is equal to, what is that one? AC plus BC. AC plus BC. Here also, this left side matrix or right side matrix we have to show equal. So it is a distributed law. Okay, these are the properties of matrix multiplication. Properties of matrix multiplication. Okay, so while discussing about properties of addition, so I forget one more law. That is cancellation law. What is that one? Cancellation law. Left cancellation law and right cancellation law. What is the first one? Left cancellation law and right cancellation law. That means A plus C. A plus B I am taking. A plus B is equal to A plus C. Both two matrices are equal. Then here A get cancelled. Then this implies what will get here? B equal to C. B equal to C. It is A left side is there. So that is what do you say here? Left cancellation law. Second one. Here also B plus A suppose is equal to C plus A. Where it is? Right side. So A get cancelled. B equal to C will get. It is right cancellation law. It is right cancellation law. Okay, just remember these laws. It is left cancellation law. It is right cancellation law in this matrix addition. Okay. So it is about the properties of matrix multiplication. Properties of matrix multiplication and some remarks of matrix multiplication. Okay, now we will discuss some questions on this matrix multiplication. Okay, that means those are what properties we discussed here. Matrix multiplication is not satisfies commutative law, and next matrix multiplication satisfies associative law. Okay, on that I already told you one 5 mark question is there. Okay, and about distribute law also. On distribute law also one more 5 mark question is there. That means any from any one of the either associative law or distributive law, you will get one 5 mark question. That one we are going to discuss now. So I am going to discuss here one question. What is the question it is here? Just to see. Important question. Important. What is that one? If matrix A is equal to 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2. It is matrix A. And what is matrix B? 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. It is matrix B. What is matrix C here? 1, 2, 3, minus 4. 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1. It is matrix A, matrix B, matrix C. Given. Okay, now what is asking here? Find A into BC. Okay, A into BC, and next AB into C. These two matrices is asking, and what is asking here? And show that AB into C is equal to A into BC. So just observe here, A into BC, AB into C. Just brackets is changed only, right? Just see, brackets on changed only. ABC. Which right is associative law? Associative law. He is asking to show that AB into C is equal to A into BC. This is associative law. Nothing it is. To prove it, what we have to find here? First I am going to find this one. See, AB we have to find. Then AB into C we have to find. Yes, you will get this matrix. Next, BC we have to find. A into BC we have to find. Then finally what you get? This matrix you will get both are equal. Then it is a verification actually. Verification of not distributive law. What it is? A verification of associative law. Verification of associative law. So to find that one, what we have to find there? So we have to find first AB into C. That means matrix multiplication only. So first what we have to find here? What we have to find here? A, B, C is given. Okay. First what we have to find here? AB we have to find. So AB, to finding AB here, is matrix A and matrix B. Is AB is defined or not? We have to check that. Is AB is defined or not? We have to check that. So to check that one, what we have to do here? What we have to do? Number of columns of number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B or not? Here number of columns of A. How many columns are there here? 3 is equal to number of rows. Rows how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Number of rows of B. So AB is defined. Actually no need to check here. Why? Because he is asking to find directly. He is asking to find this one. So you can find directly this one. So to find that one here, what we have to do? First to find AB. Okay. So AB. How we have to find AB? Take AB matrix 1, 1, minus 1. 2, 0, 3. 3, minus 1, 2. 3, minus 1, 2. Okay. Next, B. Matrix B. 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. Just multiply here. To multiply, what do I have to do? Make rows separate, make columns separate. So what do I do? First row, first column. First row, second column. We are multiplying the first row. So elements of after multiplication, you have to write two elements also in first row only. Let's multiply here. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 1 into 0, 0. Plus minus 1 into minus 1, 1. It is clear by first row, first column clear. First row, second column. 1 into 3, 3. Plus 1 into 3, 3. Plus 1 into 2, 2. Minus, actually plus here. Here minus 1 into 4. Just write plus. Plus minus 1 into 4, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. So plus and minus 4. It is clear. Next, by second row first column, 2 into 1, 2, 0 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Next, 2 into 3, 6, 0 into 2, 0, 3 into 4, plus 12. Next, third row, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 1, 3, plus minus 1 into 0, 0, plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So minus 2. Next, 3 into 3, 9, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 into 4, plus 12. So what we got AB matrix here? What we got AB matrix here? AB is equal to, simply this one, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, 3 minus 2, minus 1, and here 6 plus 12, 18. Next here, 3 minus 2, 1, 9 minus 2, 7, 7, 19. It is matrix AB. It is matrix AB. Okay, just remember here, in next class, in next video, we will discuss about AB into C also. Okay, thank you.